First thing you want to do is look in the top left-hand corner at Open Editor and click on the button. Now it opens up into the editor and you can start creating your setup. First of all, it opens up in the library button over here. So you'll see in the library we've got my projects, my templates, and more. If you click on more, it's going to show you all the templates we have pre-made already. And you can pick any one of these templates and use them so you can immediately get a chart set up. So for instance, if we click the head and shoulders, you click use, and it will throw the head and shoulders onto your chart, and you have an animation ready to go immediately. Then all you need to do is edit that animation, change the writing, change whatever things you want. You see what happens is you get all the layers, and then you can go into each one of the layers and start creating edits to customize it. So what you do is you click on the library button, you scroll down, you find a template that you like. I'm going to come right to the bottom and I'm going to use the Candle Mastery template over here. You can see it adds it onto your chart. If you push play, it starts playing the template. Now these are preset templates we've already built, and you can utilize them, you can edit any part of them, you can customize them very easily. So add it onto your chart and then get familiar with the process of how this works. Once you add it onto your chart, like for instance in this scene over here, you have all the layers underneath. So all you need to do is click on a layer and you can change the text. Or click on the single builder and you can add another candle. You can change the height of the candle. You can play around with all the pieces of the candles. You can pretty much customize it exactly how you want. This will show you how it works so you can understand the process of how to build these setups. Start familiarizing yourself with all the different settings. All you have to do is if you click on any one of these layers, click on sweep, it's going to open up the panel, the text panel over here, and then you can start editing the text. If you click on line, it's going to highlight the item on the canvas, and then it's going to open the panel and you can go through the settings and start playing around. If you click on single builder, it's going to open up the panel and then you can start editing, removing, playing around with the components. Once you've altered and changed the template, all you have to do is come up into the top corner and give it a name. So I'll call this Candle Mastery. Give it any name you want and then just click save. And you'll see you'll go to my projects and it'll save it in my projects. So you can open it whenever you want to open. So this is how you can come into the more section, grab a template you like, edit that template, customize that template, and then save it. And then you have your custom template. Once you're happy with your template, like for instance, if we're completely happy with this template, which we are, it looks really great. Once we're happy with the template, all you do is you come over here to export, click the export button, then click export now. Then you'll see it starts preparing the export. Sometimes takes a few minutes to go, but this is a relatively small template, so it should be super quick. And there you go, it is ready now to download. Then you click on the download button. You can save it onto your computer. And then we find the location and we can actually play it. Candle Mastery. There you go, guys. Looks awesome. That's your first one done. Now try swapping out the text, the colors, some of the content so you can create your first original trading content.